or brand new, quite some rust issues. A brand new Toyota Land Cruiser Type 79, and most people actually that think about a brand new Land Cruiser, they think about this model, but the 70 series are actually still produced until today. And the reason why actually most people don't know this model is that these are actually not delivered new to European countries, and also I believe not to the US, and they actually mainly delivered them to the Middle East, but also to Australia, and obviously there are a few companies that import them to Europe, and that's also the reason we actually have this car right here. And we have to protect this car against rust, and we're going to show you in a minute why you should protect your new car against rust. We're going to first put the car on a lift and remove all the necessary parts from the car, so let's go. As you can see, we already have quite some rust issues, and for me it's not really a surprise because most new cars start rusting from the first day. That's because manufacturers do not care about the car anymore. In 10 years you should buy a new one by then, so they actually not protect the car anymore. So if you buy a new car, you always should protect it. It's absolutely today very necessary. I already see some comments coming by, this car is actually delivered for the Middle East, and they not rust up there, so therefore they not protect the car. Yes, that's true, but this is the same for all Toyota Land Cruisers. This is the same for all brands, all cars, for every brand. The new Land Cruiser we just showed you gets the same treatment, and there's also already rusting, pretty sure, and that is actually just delivered to the Netherlands as well. So it doesn't matter where the car is supplied to, it's all the same. And also it doesn't matter for the brands. Every brand does not really care about anymore what happens with the car in 10 years. And yes, it is maybe not that great, but that's how it is. So a rust protection for your car is absolutely necessary if you buy a new car. So I already see a lot of people that say, yeah, my car is actually zinc plated, so it can't really rust. Well, I can tell you it can. And main reasons are actually stone chips or scratches or damages that happen on your underbody. And those stone chips go through the zinc and start rusting anyway. And obviously a small stone chip is not that big, but from a small stone chip it gets to a big stone chip and a very big plate of rust, and it goes further and further obviously. It is not something that happens in 1 or 2 years, it goes over time obviously, but we are making sure that's not going to happen. this is actually the updated facelifted version of 2024, and you actually mainly see that at the front of the car. It is much more aggressive looking. You mainly see that on the bonnet. The bonnet is much higher than it used to be before, and also the headlights are completely different, and I think it is very cool looking compared with the older before facelift car. And also the engine is changed up a little bit. Before we actually did quite a lot of these cars and they were all diesel engines, but I guess for emission reasons they had to switch it over to petrol engines. I believe they still make diesel engines, but these are 4-cylinder so far as I know for the Japanese market. But we normally now always have these petrol ones. And also most of these are now automatic gearboxes, and I guess for the same reason they actually have this for emissions as well. So that are the biggest changes they made for the 2024 facelift car. So we are going to protect the complete underbody with a clear wax, 2 layers of that. And then we are going to protect the hollow spaces with the grease. And we're going to use this kind of very thick grease actually. And we have to heat it up to make it sprayable. So it's very difficult to get them in. And most manufacturers don't use this, and there's a big reason why, because it's very difficult to get this in the hollow spaces. But this is the best thing you can have, because in 40 years it will still be good. It will never ever dry out. The most hollow space protections that most companies use and that manufacturers used back in the day as well, they were easy sprayable, but the downside is that they actually were drying out in a couple of years. This stuff will never ever dry out. So let's heat this up and put it in the hollow spaces. So if you also want to protect your car, if it is now brand new or maybe a very old rusty one, I'm pretty sure we can help. So send us an email or WhatsApp and we can see from there. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you next week.